In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete account in Squarespace. If you're ready to permanently close your Squarespace account, I'll walk you through the process clearly and safely. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent. You'll lose access to your sites, settings, permissions, and any connected services under that account. If you need anything later, consider exporting your site content or transferring site ownership first, and make sure any subscriptions or domains are handled so you don't run into unexpected issues. Start by going to squarespace.com and signing in. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu with account options. From here, choose Account Dashboard to open the main account area. Inside the account dashboard, select Account Settings. This is where all of your personal and security options live. On the left-hand side panel, you'll see several categories. Click Security to open the page that controls passwords, two-factor authentication, and account deletion. On the security page, scroll down until you find the Delete Account section. Take a moment to read the messaging here so you understand exactly what will be removed and what cannot be undone. If you manage sites for others or share access, be aware that your permissions will be revoked and any content tied specifically to your account may no longer be available. If there's anything you might need later, pause and back it up now. When you're ready, choose the option to delete the account. Squarespace will prompt you to verify your identity for security. Enter your current account password carefully, making sure there are no typos, and then click Verify. This step confirms that it's really you requesting the deletion. After verification, Squarespace sends a confirmation email to the address associated with your account. Go to your inbox and look for that message. Open it and follow the instructions to confirm the account deletion. If you don't see the email within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder and make sure you're checking the correct inbox. If needed, you can return to the security page and request the email again. Once you confirm through the email, your Squarespace account will be scheduled for deletion and the process will complete shortly after. This is irreversible, so double check that you've saved anything important beforehand. That's it. You've now seen how to find the right settings, verify securely, and finish the deletion via email.